Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment. Install the latest Microsoft Edge and sign into an Edge profile so settings sync. Once done, add the Edge VPN extension or enable the built-in secure network feature. Grant the extension network and permission prompts so it can create a tunnel. Make sure your subscription or free quota is active and 2FA is set if required. This gets you from 0 to a ready client. Don't skip permission prompts. They are required for the tunnel to work. Now configure the connection. Open the VPN pane in Edge and choose a server region or use auto to optimize latency. Then set the protocol preference. Leave it on automatic unless you need a specific protocol for compatibility. Enable split tunneling only if you want selective app routing. Otherwise, keep full tunnel for privacy. Turn on the kill switch and DNS leak protection to prevent leaks if the VPN drops. After saving, test with a quick IP check so you know routing changed. Finish by verifying the connection. Check your public IP and run a DNS leak test to confirm traffic is routed through the VPN. Pin the VPN toggle to the toolbar for one-click access and create a shortcut or profile with preferred server for future use. If things fail, restart Edge, clear extension cache, and try a different protocol or server. Those are the most common fixes. If persistent, temporarily disable other network extensions and reauthorize the VPN. That usually resolves conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.